Hi everyone, I'm Naman Gupta from zbyte, and today we have Diksha Sharma from BPIT College, Delhi, India, and she's one of the participants from the hackathon we have conducted in partnership with Women in Big Data, and she is one of the finalists as well, and she has spent a lot of time on the zbyte's dPlat, which is our zbyte platform, and she has done some phenomenal work when it comes to the dApp building using the low code technology, right? So, hi Diksha, how are you?
Absolutely good, sir. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much, Diksha. So, I'm aware that you have used zbyte platform. So, would you like to share your thoughts, your personal experiences about zbyte? Uh, you know, uh, did you really find it easy or difficult or challenging? Your thoughts on it.
Okay, let me start from introducing myself. I'm Diksha Sharma from Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology, a college in IPU, Delhi. So I participated in this zbyte and WIT collaborated hackathon, and we were working on a wine ownership tracking dApp. The purpose for this was that suppose that you are a wine company, you have your own wine NFTs published, and now you have to distribute those NFTs to the ones who have purchased the wine specimens. So the idea was that any user could just scan the barcode of that particular wine bottle and then claim its particular NFT. So for that, I used this. Me and my team built that app using the zbyte platform, and that was really fun experience. And we learned a lot of aspects of Web3, and the flow was really smooth. Like it was low code. I had not much idea about Web3 and all the right how to write proper smart contracts, but using that this platform, it was fairly easy for us. Starting from the documentation, it's well written and very easy to understand. That made the flow really smooth. That helped us lot, like using those widgets. Creating the UI of that particular dApp was also very easy. It was just drag and drop, and you can easily just create a really attractive and good looking UI for that particular dApp. And writing the smart contracts for each on this platform.
Can you hear me, Diksha?
Yes, sir. Really sorry, there was a server error here.
No worries, no worries. So you can switch on your camera and you can be comfortable for a minute, and then you can switch on the camera and start from where you left. No worries. Yeah.
So I was telling about that experience while building that dApp. So starting from the smart contracts, we started reading the documentation, and those documentation were written in a very thorough manner, like explaining each and every smart contract. There are already some smart contracts built on zbyte platform. Like the one which we use in this project was simple NFTs using the transfer functions and all. And for each and every function of that smart contract, there was a complete description in the documentation, like how to use it, how to fetch the data, how to fetch the URI and all. So this was really easy for us to implement. Then proceeding further to creating the UI, it's really easy to create a UI on this platform. Like you just have to just drag and drop a particular widget, and for each and every widget there's again a description given in the documentation. You can just give it a read and just implement it. It was really easy to do. Then the next thing which we implemented was setting up a SMTP server. So again, there's again a complete documentation given about that. So the whole development process was really easy, and anyone coming from a non-developmental or non-tech background can easily implement all this. Like I was personally not from a Web3 background, but it was really easy to complete this project. Then coming to the doubt support, all the faculty, all the coordinators, Ekta ma'am and Soumya ma'am, Tamanna ma'am, everyone was really supportive during this course, and again the zbyte team also. I would like to thank Naman sir again for the support during this course.
So, Diksha, any particular feature that you would want, zbyte to sort of, have it in our platform, so that could probably, sort of help developers like you for better dApp development? Anything you would want as a feature request?
Like there's a very good feature available here. Like you can import some more JavaScript libraries here. So I would suggest if you can just add up more libraries so that we can use it. Like when I was not aware about SMTP, my approach was to use NodeMailer, but that library was not added to that function by the time. So I will recommend that you can just add more libraries to it. That would be more easier for developers to create more innovative apps.
Got it. And any other dApp idea that you can think of right now that could be possibly be built, in the zbyte platform itself? Any dApp idea in the Web3? Can you think of any right now, or did you contemplate between choosing the dApp idea before you really chose the wine tracking dApp?
Like the one for which I was interested was like the gift sharing dApp. There was an idea, and apart from that, we can try implementing the escrow functions, and like there are some ideas like we can say voting dApps. We can try building voting dApps and all.
Got it.
And
so also there are like Polygon and Avalanche is there, right? S2 blockchain. Was that really helpful to you? In terms of, say, you don't need to own any crypto, right? Because you have dPlat token with you, and both the chains are already available. So what's your thoughts on that?
Like for this, I had initially used the Polygon testnet, and the rewards, like it was a really good thing that we got 50 dPlat coins already for this development. And once you would for a single account, like if the all the coins for a particular account is just finished, you can create another one, and so that the dApp development process becomes more smoother and you do not get hampered during the process. So everything was just mentioned in the documentation, and we also had a tutorial session before even starting this hackathon. You were also there. I had attended it, and it gave me an overview about how to create a minting dApp. So that was really helpful for us.
Perfect. Any closing thoughts, any closing remarks before we sign off, Diksha, about the zbyte platform?
I would just like to express my gratitude to the whole zbyte team and WIDD team to give us this opportunity. Like I learned many things from this hackathon and the whole process, and it was really exciting journey for me. And I'm really excited to join zbyte for this 3 month course internship. So thank you for
Absolutely.
that.
Absolutely. So the ones who are watching us, just need to update you all that Diksha, we have chosen Diksha since she has performed really well. So she'll be working with us for the next 3 months, as she will be joining us as an intern. And we are really excited to have you, Diksha. And I'm sure that together we can build a lot more real world based apps, on zbyte, that the world really, needed, right? So a lot of platform projects are there in the Web3, but there are only a bunch of them who are really building in the Web3 space, right? So zbyte is definitely would want to be one where we really help developers like you who are from maybe say non-dev background, but they should not miss devs like you should not miss the ship of the Web3, which is sort of sailing with great opportunities right now, right? So that's the aim that we have, and I really hope that developers like you uh, should visit zbyte.io, and then they should try as well that what you have built, right? So thank you so much for joining in, and wish you all the very best, Diksha. Thank you.